Thailand. Sawadika.
Welcome to Thailand.
Yes.
Welcome Taiwan.
Yes. If any Taiwanese people come to Thailand, here have a very nice coffee shop and very nice artists. Now here we introduce an artist, Lu. And the owner here coffee shop, Duke. Yes. So because Lu cannot speak English, so Duke will explain English to everybody about what he tried to do the art. And then in here, I think it's quite interesting. We saw a lot of Lu's different painting skill. He can painting human skill, the nature of a traditional Thai painting. How long his painting is?
30 years ago, he painting.
Okay. How could when you are kids, right? When you are kids, you like to painting.
Yes.
Okay. When you painting the female figure, what do you feel?
ในทวีปเอเชียแล้วความเป็นไทยเอกลักษณ์ไทย
He answer. He want to show Thai traditional about Asia. It's fit of Asia.
Oh, right. Okay. And you are male, so how you to try to explore the female figure?
แรงบันดาลใจคือการได้เห็นวิถีชีวิต แล้วก็ประสบการณ์ตั้งแต่วัยเด็กของไทยครับ
He answer. He have inspiration. He love mom and love Thai traditional.
Okay.
And show costume Thai.
Okay.
And to show inspiration.
Okay.
And to show experience.
Okay. And what you feel the Thai, the market about art?
มันแยกเป็นหลายกลุ่ม แล้วก็แยกหลายช่วงอายุด้วยครับ
Thai his answer Thai market have many group.
Oh.
Have many group and have many level. Yes.
Oh, same. Taiwan same.
Yes.
They all have different of group people,
Yes.
and some in the market is all like foreigner market, or come another America, and some like from Japan, and they're painting another Japan
I think so.
I think it's all same. Right? Yeah. And do you feel very difficult to be artist in Thailand?
ของศิลปินไทยตอนนี้คือความยากคืออะไร
เรื่องของการปรับตัวช่วงการเปลี่ยนยุคสมัย อย่างเช่น AI and ช่วงการเปลี่ยนวัยจากผู้ใหญ่จากวัยที่เด็กรุ่นใหม่เข้ามา
He try to explain about
I heard the AI.
AI.
What's wrong AI?
And new gen not understand about artists. Artists made for old men.
Nah. And you very close and the one up.
Joey Man.
Joey Man. And Joey Man quite nice, right? Famous.
Joy Man ก็ gallery
Gallery. Yeah. And to hear you want to like sign contract to gallery is difficult.
Joy Man เป็น Joy Man is professional gallery นะ He show professional artist.
Oh, right.
But my cafe
ศิลปินอิสระ
free artist.
Oh, right. Yeah,
Free
yeah.
artist.
Okay. And usually the artists have two jobs, right? One artist, one like someone to illustrator or coffee or make some clothes. All artists have two jobs. One is a real art, and the other is for living. You do that too, right?
จากความชอบเลยครับ ชอบดื่มกาแฟ ชอบวาดรูปชอบความอิสระ
He answer he free man.
Okay.
He love to drink coffee. He love to painting.
Okay.
And he love to enjoy with many people.
Good. Very nice.
Send happy to
Yeah.
many people.
Yeah,
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Very nice. And do you have any to support all the artists, the young people?
Oh.
Give them suggestion. If you want to be an artist, you have to more, keep doing because now the young generation, right? They only painting 5 years, 6 years and give up.
เกี่ยวกับเรื่องศิลปะไทยบ้างไหมที่จะได้นำความรู้ไปที่เรามีอยู่ไปสอนเด็กมีบ้างไหม
ใช่พร้อมที่จะให้ความรู้กับเด็กๆเสมอเมื่อเด็กให้ความสนใจกับงานศิลปะไทย
He said new generation he can help to teach artists
Oh,
and he thinks he give for children.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Very
And
nice.
he take care children.
Okay.
Free.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Wow.
yeah, free. No.
Oh, very nice. Yeah. If anybody from Taiwan, and if when you come to Thailand, you can come here the coffee shop to look our work. And here have a look IG, Instagram, and Gmail. And if anybody want to contact him, can direct right here to contact them and come here, have a cup of coffee, and very nice honor, and say goodbye to all the Taiwanese people. Bye. Bye.